Hello friends, I hope you are looking for the best leaf rakes. So you have clicked this video. In this video we will discuss leaf rakes which are best sold and achieve top-rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. TRG the Groundskeeper 2 Rake. The truth is in the name, as this rake has all the potential to keep your gardens, lawns, and paths leaf-free and well-maintained like a groundskeeper. The real strength of this leaf rake is the rounded, stiff tines. Unlike flat, flexible tines from competing models, this rake removes leaves from bushes and grass by allowing green stems to pass between tines without harming them. You can also move sticks, twigs, chips, and bark in the same way without making unsightly track marks across your lawn. The handle is 55-inch long and made of distinctive yellow fiberglass for durable, reliable performance. Replacement tines and handles can be purchased separately, meaning you can. Pros. Simply design with easy assembly. Distinct yellow color can help you find the rake in busy spaces. Weighs less than 2 pounds. Cons. Some assembly required. Number 2. Fiskars Pro Leaf Rake 65 inches. Clean up leaves and debris in a fraction of time with this high-quality lawn rake from Fiskars. This hand leaf rake features an extruded aluminum handle with double-bolted connections for maximum strength and durability. The handle is also cleverly designed, with extra-long reach to improve posture and reduce joint fatigue. A teardrop-shaped shaft fits the contours of your hands snugly for exceptional support and comfort. The handle also has multiple grip positions for right and left-handed users. The simple, heavy-duty construction of this rake makes it a reliable choice for daily, quality performance under all conditions. Metal tabs keep the time rod locked in place, so nothing will ever come loose or break under pressure. Finally, this rake is incredibly lightweight at just 2.84 pounds, making it very convenient to carry around your garden when at work. Pros. High-quality materials make this rake durable and strong. Extra-long handle corrects and supports posture. Lightweight. Cons. May be expensive. Number 3. Professional Easy Travel Folding Lawn Rake. Maintaining your garden will never be any easier, thanks to this impressive lawn rake which specializes in clearing leaves. First, this rake has an adjustable fan head which can become more compact and help strengthen tines as you rake. Tines are made of tough steel and can go from 7.5 inch to 21.75 in width, allowing you to take along flower beds without damaging plant roots. Made of a durable aluminum alloy, which offers strength and durability, a telescoping handle allows for you to rake in even the tightest of spaces, extending from 37 inch to 68. And with the help of an ergonomic, rubberized handle, you will always feel comforted and supported whilst raking. Hand fatigue will be a thing of the past. Pros. Collapsible handle and head for easy storage and adjustments for use. Durable alloy times in a head that adjusts from 7.5 to nearly 22 inches. Ergonomic handle with rubberized grip. Cons. Shaft can bend. Number 4. Bully Tools Poly Leaf Rake. This high-quality leaf rake from Bully Tools promises unmatched strength and durability, and can easily help you declutter your lawn from fallen leaves. We think you'll agree that it's made with very high-quality materials. The handle is made with thick fiberglass and has a reinforced wooden core, providing comfort and strength with every rake. There's also an extended steel ferrule which helps the rake to resist bending. The handle has an extended reach of 50 inch, which allows you to reach tightly enclosed spaces such as under shrubs with ease. Reinforcement ridges on both sides of tines create superior strength and help to prevent any breakages or damage whilst working, even when raking through harsh materials. Tines are angled at 90 degrees and help to reduce pressure and strain whilst raking. Lastly, weighing only 3.4 pounds, and with a head of 30 inches by 22 inches, this rake is lightweight and easy to carry around the garden. It also promises simple, straightforward assembly. Pros: high-quality fiberglass handle with a reinforced wooden core. Reinforced tines for superior strength and durability. 50-inch extended reach for a variety of raking needs. Cons: slightly heavier than some other models. Number 5. Corona Extendable Handle Rake. With an impressive reach and heat-treated durability, this hand leaf rake from Corona will take all the hassle and labor from collecting leaves on your lawn. Firstly, an extendable handle reaching 32-inch allows you to reach under bushes, shrubs, or hard-to-reach places without compromising on your posture. The rake features a sleek-looking carbon dioxide coating on all its tines that resist chipping and rust. The thick handle is made of durable and lightweight aluminum for long-lasting service. It's also ribbed for a non-slip grip and is comfortable for all-day use. A useful metal ring is incorporated into the handle and can be used to hang the rake when not in use, for easy, compact storage. Pros: heat-treated parts of the rake add to its durability. A metal ring at the end of the handle allows for very easy storage. Tines are coated with carbon dioxide which resist chipping and rust. Cons: some features may be needed. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.